Exercise 7.4, question number 8. It is Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? No. So first of all, we have to find here the fraction, how many pages the Ela has read. She has read 25 pages out of 100. So how we can write it? So Ela read book. So she read 25 pages out of 100 pages, and the same book was read by Lalita. Lalita read book. She read 2 by 5 of the same book. Now see, 25 and 100, it is divisible by 5, or we can divide it directly by 25. So 25 ones are 25 and 25 fours are 100. So the fraction becomes 1 by 4. Now we have to check that which fraction it is greater and which fraction it is smaller. Now here neither the denominators are same of the two fractions, neither the numerators are same. So how we will do it? We will cross multiply. So 1 multiply by 5 and 4 multiply by 2. So 5 ones are 5, 4 twos are 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. It means 8 number came from the fraction 2 by 5 this side. So which fraction is greater? 2 by 5. It means who read more? Lalita read more. And who read less? Ela read the book less. So who read less? The answer it is Ela read the book less, or less book has been read by Ela. Now next question, question number 9. Rafiq exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour and Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for the longer time? So here we have to see that who has exercised for the longer time. So Rafiq, he has exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour. Yes, and Rohit has exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Now we have to see who has exercised longer, who has exercised for a longer time. Now 3 by 6, it is divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So we will cross multiply it. So 1 into 4 it is 4 and 2 into 3 it is 6. So which is greater? 6 is greater, and 6 came from the fraction 3 by 4. 3 by 4 fraction it is of Rohit. So who exercised for the longer time? It is Rohit exercised for a longer time. So here also you will write Rohit exercised for a longer time. Next, last question of the exercise, it is question number 10. In a class, it is class A, 25 students are there, 20 students in the first class, and in another class B of 30 students, 24 students passed in the first class. In which class was a fraction greater fraction of the students getting the first class? So the class A, how many students are total there? 25 students are there, and out of which 20 students have passed in the first class. So class A, how we will write the fraction? 20 by 25. Why 20 will come up? Because 20 students out of 25, they have got the first class. Fine. Similarly, class B, the fraction for class B, it will be total how many students are there in the class? 30 students, out of which 24 students they were in the first class. So how we can write the fraction? 24 by 30. Now you can see 20 and 25, it is divisible by 5. So we can divide it by 5. 5 fours are 20 and 5 fives are 25. So the fraction becomes 4 by 5. Now 24 and 30. 24 and 30, it is divisible by 2. So we can divide it by 2. What the fraction will become? 12 by 15. So 12 by 15, again it is divisible by 3. So the fraction becomes 4 by 5. Or directly 24 by 60, you can divide directly this by 6 also, if you know it directly. So it is your wish, you can divide it like this also, divide it directly by 6. So what will be my answer? 24 divided by 6, 4, or 30 divided by 6, it is 5. So the fraction of the class B, it becomes 4 by 5, and the fraction for class A, it is also 4 by 5. So which class has the greater fraction of the students getting the first class? So in both the cases the fraction is same. In class A, it is equal to class B. It means in both classes the fraction of students getting first class is same. Thank you.